In today's video, I will walk you through how to change dashed line spacing in AutoCAD. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, go to the command line and type LTSCALE, then press Enter. AutoCAD will display the current line type scale value. Take note of the existing value before making any adjustments. To change the spacing of dashed lines throughout your drawing, enter a new LTSCALE value. Make small, incremental changes until you achieve the desired spacing. If you only want to change the spacing of a specific dashed line, select the line you want to modify. Next, type Properties into the command line and press Enter. In the Properties panel, locate the line type scale value for the selected line. Adjust this value to control the dashed line spacing independently from the other lines in your drawing. Enter a new value and check the result. And that's how to change dashed line spacing in AutoCAD. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.